Artziii, where the future of education begins now. Welcome to Artziii. I'm Crystal Wright, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to a platform that's set to transform how educators teach and how students learn. At its heart, Artziii is about book creation, yet it's so much more than that. It's a comprehensive educational platform designed to elevate learning to new creative heights. Let's explore what makes Artziii unique and invaluable in today's classrooms. First is our AI writing suite. Imagine a powerful virtual assistant dedicated to enriching your students' writing skills. With Artziii, students can research any topic under the sun, draft essays, or construct creative stories, all while developing critical thinking skills and at the same time fostering the love of reading. Next is our AI-powered art suite. A whole world of creativity is at your students' fingertips with AI-driven tools that make digital art creation both engaging and exciting. Experience the freedom of unlimited art generation, something found only on Artziii. Other platforms place limits on your creativity. Also, exclusive to Artziii is our rich library of community art models and styles. With our unique seed image feature, crafting consistent characters is a cinch, something crucial for creating a book with multiple scenes. Exploring this suite's unique features enables you to bring your ideas to life in artistic ways you've never imagined. Illustrate a vibrant scene, create abstract art, design detailed diagrams, visualize complex branches of math and science. The possibilities for educational projects are endless. It all leads to our design and publishing tools. Our user-friendly designer allows fast and accurate layout. The EPUB converter and KDP book cover template generator lets students publish projects in digital formats as well as print. These tools foster media literacy while also providing practical skills for publishing and design. Whether you're guiding young learners through their first research project or challenging high schoolers with complex design tasks, Artziii adapts to your educational needs. At Artziii, we're committed to providing a platform that supports both teachers and students on their journey through the future of education. Join us and explore the possibilities. Engage your students and elevate learning to new heights. Artziii.